bonus round, bonus round, bonus round.
Oh my gosh.
All right, so this is a bonus round, as I've mentioned, and I'm going to tell you that during Passover in our home, this is a staple of our Passover, for me in particular, but it's a staple of our Passover cuisine. And so today I'm going to demonstrate for you how I make matzah pizza. It's very difficult. These are the kinds of things that I cook. This is my cooking. So what you do is you take a piece of matzah, right, and I need a spoon. And then what we do is take out some sauce. Now I've got the Prego sauce here to show you a full jar, but hold on. But I don't want to open that jar yet because it's not ready to be opened, and I still have some sauce left in this Classico tomato and basil sauce, which is delicious. All right, so you just take a tablespoonful of sauce. You don't want to overdo it. Put it in the middle, and then spread it around nice. This one's got nice chunks of tomato in it. If you don't like that, then there you go. So can you see that? That's what it looks like. Now what you want to do is shred some cheese. If you don't have, nice.
Don't use that.
Huh?
Don't use that now.
No, I'll lick it off first.
Oh,
I'm just kidding. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is shred some cheese. If you already have shredded cheese, then do that. But we really like to go for authentic Kroger mozzarella cheese, so I don't want it shredded in advance because then it doesn't feel, Italiano. All right, here we go. So shred. So now I take the mozzarella, the mozzarella, as my mother would say. All right. So now this is
Do you have to show the camera?
All right, hang on. I like to take it out to the edges. All right, it's not done yet though. Now a little extra something that we do, and of course you can do your pizza however you want. Pineapples are forbidden. It's forbidden. It's not pizza, so stop that.
I love pineapples.
Well, and I just said stop. So then what I do is I'll take sometimes some little pieces of cream cheese. So some Philadelphia cream cheese, put little glops of it. You can also put some, I'm telling you may think that sounds weird, but it's delicious. It's a little trick I learned from my beautiful wife, what she does with her lasagna. So put some cream cheese on there. You can do it with ricotta, the ricotta. You can do it that way as well. You can add whatever meats you want. I typically, if I add some meats, like a turkey pepperoni or some chicken or some beef or whatever, I like to put it under the cheese. So I'll put some more cheese on top of that. And then, because you can add olives, I'm not going to add olives. I'm a plain cheese kind of guy sometimes. Then this is important, oregano. You got to add oregano. My kids tease me, but you got to add oregano. Huh?
I like it.
They like it. They're like, yeah, you always put oregano on it. All right. So there you go. And it's got the oregano, and you can put it in. You can microwave it for 2 minutes. Or you can just put it in the oven. I'm going to let it put it in the oven and so it stays nice and crispy and melts. And I'll be right back. So what you do is you keep the matzah pizza in the oven for exactly long enough to get melt the cheese. Strap on your oven mitts because you want to be cautious with hot things. Voila. Matzah pizza. I'm going to take it. Well, I'm going to take this little girly thing here. Alright. Delicioso. And let me get a plate here.
There are no cats in America, and the streets are paved with cheese. There are no cats in America, to set your mind at ease.
And then we plate the food. And it's perfect. It's like thin crust pizza, which is how I like pizza, and it's delicious. So, you wonder what you're gonna eat for 8 days? Right there. Hey, if you enjoy these videos, please like it, subscribe to it, and share it.